Hello everyone, I am Hima Sati Sharma and students, we are discussing the chapter called Sound for class 8th. We have already discussed how sound is produced, how sound propagates, how do we hear, and we have studied internal structure of ear, how sound is considered as wave, and in our previous lecture we had studied about amplitude, that it is the maximum displacement of the particle during that vibration. We have discussed frequency, which is number of vibration in 1 second, and we have also discussed time period, which is the time taken by the particle to complete one oscillation. In today's class, we'll be discussing loudness and pitch. So loudness is of the sound is the measure of sound energy which is reaching the ear per second. So somebody can be loud, somebody can be soft or low in volume. So loudness or softness of a sound depends upon its amplitude. So longer will be the amplitude, or more will be the displacement of the particle, louder will be the sound. So loudness of the sound is proportional to the square of the amplitude of the vibration producing the sound. So what does it mean? So if you think, or if you imagine one drum which can be beaten to produce the sound, and if you put one small bit of paper on that drum, and if you strike that drum with a lesser force, so what will happen? The paper will jump, right? And if you produce the if you strike the drum hard or with a more force, what will happen? The paper will jump more, it will cover more distance. But when will be the sound will be loud? When it was striken hard and when the paper had covered more distance, right? So the distance covered by the paper is the amplitude. So more is the amplitude, more will be the loudness, and it is proportional to the square of the amplitude. Yani when amplitude is multiplied and is made in square. So if the amplitude becomes twice, the loudness will increase by a factor of 4. So here you can see, here amplitude is lesser, so this is a soft sound, and here amplitude is more or longer, so therefore it is a loud sound. So whenever there is increase in amplitude, there will be an increase in loudness of the sound. Loudness of the sound is measured in decibels. So decibel is the unit of measuring loudness. So types of loudness of sound which is coming from various sources are like, for example, normal breathing has 10 decibel, soft whisper has 30 decibel, normal conversation 60 decibel, busy traffic 70 decibel, and average factory has 80 decibel sound. So you see how the range, how the loudness of the sound is increasing from normal breathing to a factory sound. Now we will see pitch or shrillness. Now the second property is pitch. So pitch is the sensation of the frequency of an emitted sound. So pitch is like when the sound is very irritating, or it is very sharp. So the pitch of sound or shrillness or flatness depends on the frequency of the vibration. So greater the frequency, shriller will be the voice, or higher will be the pitch. Or sound with lower frequency is less shrill, and the sound with higher frequency will be more shrill or having higher pitch. Examples: children and women produce high frequency sound, so their sound is shriller or higher pitch. On the other hand, an adult male produces lower frequency sound, so his sound is less shrill or it has lower pitch. Similarly, maybe the amplitude of the drum or whistle is same, but which will be more painful, or it will come sharp, or will be irritating for your ears, will definitely be the sound which is produced by whistle. Why? Because the frequency of whistle is more than the frequency of sound produced by the drum. So here you can see. Now here also the amplitude is same, but here wave shape is of the pitch is low. Why? Because the frequency is low, and here frequency is high. So this is high pitch and this is low pitch, right? Similarly, This is the case when the drum is beaten, it produces low pitch sound, and when the whistle blows, it produces high frequency sound. Therefore, this is high pitch or it is more shrill. So characteristic of sounds are loudness, pitch and quality. Loudness depends upon amplitude, pitch depends upon frequency, and quality depends upon the waveform. Quality means whether it is melodious or it is noisy. So if the waveform is clear, the sound will be pleasant to hear and it will be melodious. But if it is mixed, that waveform is mixed, it is not clearer, the quality of sound will be poor and it will be called noise and it will not be pleasant to be heard. In our next lecture, we will be discussing about audible sounds and inaudible sounds. Thank you so much.